small question. Well, actually, a couple of questions. I'm not a technical genius, however, I did build my own computer. As you can see, it's quite a nice monitor. It's an LG ultra wide, and this is the tower. The issue slash question is, when I turn the computer off, I still have power within the computer. I mean, it's brandish new. It's got a Corsair power supply, RM850X, and it's got a nice geforce graphics card. But if I turn it off, let me just show you turning it off. There's my mouse. Turn that off. Shut down. Okay. That is shutting down. Right, all the fans have gone off. I do, however, get a red light on the graphics card. I don't know if you can see that. But my main concern is it power leakage or is it a feature of the Corsair? Another question, does the power going through the computer cause any damage? Because I can actually charge my mobile phone. If I plug this USB cable into the top here and then plug it into my phone, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Go in the hole. Press so. Right, press that in there. Go into settings. Charging slowly. So the computer is off and it is charging my phone. Is that not weird, or am I just being silly? Any questions or comments would be very much appreciated, and thank you for watching.